Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you some simple tips on how you can declutter and organize your garage on a budget and in a couple of hours. So let's get started. Friends, I'm headed to my beautiful client's home to help her bring organization to her garage. This is a space that frustrates her, as in many of our homes, because it's that place where everything goes to when we don't know where to put it. And so in her space, we're really going to be all about decluttering and putting in a system that works and keeping it very simplified and budget friendly. So with my process, it all starts with getting your setup together first. So before you jump in and start decluttering, you want to set up your workstations. And how you want to do this is you want to first get your bins together. If you're putting new bins in your garage, you want to purchase those. If you are using bins that are already filled so you can't get to them right now, use boxes and they'll be a temporary fix for you until you can get the actual bins empty. You then want to create a sign that says purge and donate. You don't need to worry about the keep one at this point. And so you want to put a section for donate and a section for purge somewhere in the garage, or if the garage is filled, somewhere outside, maybe on the lawn. You then want to line your baskets up in two lines, leaving an aisle down the center, just like in a grocery store. This is going to be the sorting section. So this is where items are going to transition to that are the keep items. That's why I mentioned before that you really didn't need the keep tag. So what we're going to do from this point is we're going to jump in and start pulling things out and decluttering. And remember, these are not my items, so I don't know what she wants to keep and what she doesn't want to keep. So the only thing I'm thinking about is getting the trash in the trash area and getting the items in the bins. And so those are going to be where I sort them by like items. All the Christmas items go in a Christmas bin. If that one fills up, I move to the next bin. All of the electronics go in a bin. All of the books go in a bin. And I'm basically just putting items in categories. So now that everything is sorted, this gives my client the opportunity to walk down the aisle, and as she sees things that she wants to donate or purge, she can just easily pull them out and put them in that section, and everything else that stays in the bin is already organized in the bin. So the process is done. So now it's about getting a system in place to keep it in order. And I found these shelves at Lowe's, and they're really inexpensive. They're all of $60, right at $70, but they're very durable and perfect for a garage. She had a lot of water, so I just simply stacked those in the corner. And then I got these mats for her son's workout area. He likes to work out in the garage, and he has his workbench, and it took all of 5 minutes to snap these together to give him a great location to do this. And then it was all about the finishing touches in the garage, and it's just labeling so that they could easily see where their items were and get to them and put them back. And she didn't need gardening things and things like that because she has a service that handles her lawn, and so it was no need to keep things that she did not truly use. So now if she needs something or the family needs something, they can easily come out here and get it and put it back. So the last task was to simply haul off the trash in the empty boxes, and then the garage would be complete. And so I want to share with you a before of the garage so that you can see the progress. And it was about decluttering and implementing a system that works. And here is the after. It's very simplified, budget friendly, and my client truly has a space that she can enjoy, and it doesn't feel like it's frustrating to her anymore. I put a little recycling center also in the garage for her shopping bags and for her to put recycled items. And so this project is now complete. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you enjoy this type of content on my channel, click that like button for me so I will know. Also, I would love to hear from you. Definitely leave me a comment below. And if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you as a part of the At Home with Nikki family. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.